ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ringkat lang bagperthai Drok ke District Legal Services Authority jungko West Khasi Hills District haka pundo Drok Jyllei arjar phosau Clara Khik International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking Halokapang gabong the evidence is clear invest in prevention. Yaga jimpin shai pat ba halokani kapang kabe day bu drug napin long Mairang Presbyterian Science College Mairang hakbo officer in charge jungka Mairang Police Station uba S Kharjana ula batai bnia shapang ke NDPS Act kat ba ka kong GL mauplang kelakaran halokan nalsa ke Pokso Act nalor kiwe kiman.
When you see in today's world, the most problematic to tackle is the drugs. Where the more the act, the more the law have been implemented, the more the rise in the crime and drugs abuse. So what is the main idea is how to tackle with the issues of these drugs and the treatment and rehabilitation. How to treat these drug abuse. I understand when it comes to Bapyrkhing. You understand what is Bapyrkhing? You know Hagi. We do know how to combat, how to confront. But especially this act is especially for the victimized, who's being affected with this drug abuse. So, under Article 47 as the saying of the Constitution, it mandates the state to endeavor to bring about prohibition of consumption except for medical purpose. Article 47 of the Constitution says that it means it doesn't allow anyone to use all these illegal substances except when it is used for medical treatment. As the saying, poppy plants. Do you know what is a poppy plant? When you look from out, when it is a plant, it looks beautiful. But it produces a substance which can be used as a drug. But it's not also used only for the purpose of using as an abuse. It is also used for medical. As what's saying it is, so in order to do the cultivation of a poppy plant, you need the permission, the permit, and whatsoever from the government itself. Do you know that in rehabilitation, they perform all these, where they give the medicine? Do you know that even in rehabilitation, they used to give these drugs? Not to make them abuse, but to cut off whatever drug has entered into their body. And then they give them, because by one drug enters into a human body, it's very difficult. Their willpower becomes weak. Not every person have got the same will, right? So in order to fight them, they have to make them prepare by giving them counseling. So what does this act? It goes, it sees if there is anything, whether that rehabilitation center is okay, is it, if there is any staff, proper staff, if there is any lack of arrangement which is to be done. So this scheme, it provides and see and mobilize all therein available infrastructure and then to identify that, then also to identify the victim of drugs abuse and then as well as the treatment. So all this is being done by this legal service to the victim of drugs abuse and its eradication scheme of 2015. I will not make it specifically. If there is any complication, suppose in your family there is anyone who is being victimized with drugs abuse, you do not know where to go. We from the different Nasa have organized and we have got our own district legal service authority act. Authority where we have in Northwest also. If you ever felt there is any difficulties, you don't know where to seek help, you don't know what to do with all these, what should you do? You should come to the district of Northwest. And I think so here in Mayam, so we have in this district court, I mean Superintendent district court, where you can give all the advice, we will help from our side every way to train you, to give you the best treatment, the best way to eradicate this drugs. Sinubukan mga fi sistemnya menunggu jejak badan fi badan menunggu jejak kenal. Fi kita orang right to rehabilitation center. Nampak you don't think private rehabilitation center, but you don't think government. Fi itu belum nak fi commercial law you don't think foundation. You don't give it to a private organization. Now, in order to tackle drugs, it's not only the government, even the individual. The groups of individuals, they come together to fight with all this. Okay? So, what is like you come, we will direct you, we will tell you, we will help whatever possible way to help to tackle all these. But I should also make you aware that when it comes to it, because the NDPS Act, you should be as per what he said, when you see such crime is being committed in your society, should be also very aware, because as I see the technicalities in this act is very, very critical. How to be seize these drugs, how to be arrest is to be made is a very complicated one. That's what he said that many peddler who used to do all these drug trafficking, why they do escape, because there's some mistake on the side of the investigation agency, so it has to be done very critically.